Hi everyone, welcome you all to the class of Turito. We are starting your crash course classes today, and of course today we are going to cover solving linear equations and inequations. And before we start, I would like to say a few things. And I know you all are very curious of getting something big scores in your SAT or ACT. And maybe you have been working very hard to get these things, or you have been thinking very big of scoring, and it's all your mind game that works rather than simply the subject knowledge. Subject knowledge, of course, it is compulsory, but not just the subject knowledge. Subject knowledge is one part, the other is your mind, how it works, how it is, and how confident it is, and what it is thinking, where it want to go. All these things decide your future. Therefore, I would like to tell you all that be sure of what you are doing and plan well, work well, and ensure that you reach your goals. I am Durga Prasad. I am a man with 14 qualifications and having a lot of experience in teaching. And in one batch of 220 students, we have sent, this Turito has sent 121 students into top 100 universities of the world, which includes 3 students into MIT, 3 students into Harvard, 5 students into Pennsylvania, and so on. This itself is a big achievement, and you should all be comfortable enough and confident enough of doing big things because you are associated with an institute which has created such good result from a single batch. So, my dear students, have confidence on you, not just on Turito. Turito anyway, it will do its job. I want you to be confident about you. I wanted you to be confident about your brain work. Have a good attitude and self-reliant to reach your goals. So I wish you all best of luck for your future days to come and for your exams that you'll be facing in future. So let's start with our class. So now, what do you mean by linear equation? Linear, what does this linear mean? So definitely, equation means it should have variables. Generally, we are dealing with one variable, means we'll be using x. We'll be using x. So linear equation in one variable means it will be of the form ax plus b equal to 0. Linear means the degree is 1. The degree is 1, linear, then it is called as linear equation. And inequation means what? It may be greater than 0 or greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0 or less than or equal to 0, something like this. All these come under linear inequations. So this is linear equation and these all are linear inequations. Therefore, children, we'll be working on something of these formats. So solving means what? Finding the value of variables. Means if you have to find out the values of x, we will say solve. So whenever we listen to the word solve, it means that you need to find the values of the variable. So that is x. And it doesn't mean that when I say variable, I said generally we take it as x, but it's not compulsory that it should be x alone. It can be y, it can be t, it can be anything. It all depends on the problem that is framed or the question that is framed, but in general we will be using the variable as x, not anything else. But he can give some other variable if he wants to give, or the question maker wants to give. So let's start with the basic thought of that we are going to work on linear equations and inequations. We will be solving. There will be a lot of simplifications. So children, like, you should believe first that nothing is out of your bounds. Of course, to form or frame a linear equation, you may need some effort, because there could be word problems, there could be direct questions, anything that can be done there. So you need to think, you need to apply yourself to the situation, you need to write what is given there and frame an equation and then solve it. So therefore, children, it doesn't mean that it will be like this. It will not be this simple. You need to create those inequations and you need to work. So let's start with our thought process. Yeah, look at this. He is asking you to solve. We have started with an inequation because we are doing both together. So we are starting with an inequation. 8x is less than, it is like this, 8x is less than 5 into 2, 10x, plus 5 into 4, 20, right? So now, as this 8x is smaller, I'll take to the right. So 10x is bigger and the smaller one we have taken to the right. Plus 20, you take it to the left side, you'll get minus 20. 10 minus 8 is 2x, which is greater than minus 20. So x is greater than minus 10. So if you look at this, you have option B with, option A with x greater than minus 10. So this is the solution for this question. So please note it and don't waste more time on trying to write these solutions. I want you to take a shot of this screenshot so that you can store all the things in your record and work on after this class is completed. Okay, so this should be the habit. Take screenshots, keep them with you and keep working on every question that we are teaching here so that you have some time to work on with. And students, you have to know one thing. We have created the most beautiful and most useful content. This content contains 1, classwork, 2, work at leisure, 3, DPPs, daily practice papers, and 4, self-test. Self-test. Classwork means what we are doing. These all are there, so different concepts are covered. And second is work at leisure, but before that you need to work on DPP, daily practice papers. So daily practice paper contains all the questions that covers all the models that are taught in the classroom. And this work at leisure is for extra practice if some student is working and needs more question support. So this work at leisure will help them. And fourth one, self-test, is like you're preparing, you're learning and you want to test where you're standing. So therefore this work at leisure helps you in taking a self-test and you can see where you stand and you can understand what else you need to do to get better in the subject. So this is how the content is put in the LMS. So use this beautiful system that has been made for you and succeed. Right, children, you take the screenshot of it so that we can go to the next question. Yeah, so let's go to the next question. Now what is there here? So now the solution of the equation. So this is very simple. So just look at it. See, always whenever we are solving, we should ensure that we'll eliminate the complications. Complications could be what? Denominators, rational exponents or irrational exponents or whatever it is. So these type of things, etc., should be eliminated to ensure that we simplify the problem and then solve it. Okay, or make it simple and then solve it. So now in this question, denominator is there, so let us eliminate denominator by cross multiplying. So 3x minus 18 is 5x. Take it to the right. So 3x minus 5x is 2x is minus 18. So x equal to minus 9. Very simple question. So these type of things are also asked in SAT. Therefore, you should ensure that you'll never lose marks. Right, children? So 800 out of 800 should be your target in this SAT mathematics, and even if it is ACT, your full score should be there. Please note it quick. Yeah, children, you need to take only screenshots. Don't keep writing because we'll be wasting time as we have short time. So let us use the time to the most and the best way. Okay. So take screenshots. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. So John must save at least $25.50 to buy a hat. If he saves 80 cents per day, 80 cents per day, how many days will it take him to save enough money? So this, whatever he asks us as a question, should be taken as a variable, let's say x or something like that. So now 80 cents means $0.8. 80 cents is $0.8. Into number of days, let us call it as D. Let us call it as D. So it should be minimum, at least means minimum, at most means maximum, at least means minimum $25.50. So 0.80 every day he is able, he is able to save, and number of days is D days, and that should be minimum means greater than or equal to, maximum or at most means less than or equal to, minimum, so greater than or equal to 25.5. So D equal to 25.5 divided by 0.8, which is equal to 31.875 days. So it is approximately 31.8, means I can take it as 32 days. So option C satisfies. Just note it fast, quick. Screenshot. Right? So let us go to the next question. If A and B are positive integers and A minus B whole square is 36, which of the following must be true? So children, first remember, to solve mathematics in the best way possible and in the easiest way possible, first you should read question and understand question properly. Second thing is, you should have the knowledge of the concepts and all the formulae. So to tell you the truth, I don't believe in any formula memorizing techniques, but many times formulas will help you solve the things in a better way. So I suggest you to learn the formula and keep them in mind. But if you forget about any formula, don't worry, you have to have the techniques of deriving them and then using them. Okay, so let's start with this question now again. So options are given here. So A and B are positive integers and A minus B whole square is 36. Which of the following must be true? So look at this. A minus B whole square can be written as A square minus 2AB plus B square. So that is equal to how much he gave? 36. 36. So A square plus B square only, it's there everywhere. You see, only except case D. So definitely the case D should not be an answer. So let us go for A square plus B square equal to 36 plus 2AB. 36 plus 2AB means A and B are positive. So AB should also be positive. Positive integer into positive integer is positive. Therefore, AB is positive. So 2AB is positive. 36 plus a positive means it is more than 36. So A square plus B square should be greater than 36. So it is option B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, so I said please take screenshots. Don't try to write because time should be saved and it should be utilized in a proper way. So take screenshots. Now look at this. The admission to the local carnival is $6. You want to play games that cost $1.50 per game. If you have $30, how many games can you play? So first of all, I have some money. First I should shell down near the entrance some amount. Now after shelling down that amount, I have something else in my pocket. With that I should play. And I should see how many games I can play with that amount that is left over. So first, if you see $6 I need to spend to enter. So out of how many dollars I have? $30. Out of $30 I spent $6 for the entrance. So that's what we have written here, it as 6. Plus means I have to play some more games. So that games, let us call I am playing X games. So how much is the cost per game? 1.5. 1.5 into X. Because I have $30, I cannot spend more than $30. I should spend less than $30 or equal to $30. That's why we are saying less than or equal to 30. So take this 6 to the right, 1.5x equal to 24. So x equal to 24 by 1.5. So x is less than or equal to 16. Means I can play either 16 games or less than 16 games. So option C works out. Quick. Yeah, all these videos will be available in the portal. So if anyone wants to listen to them, you can re-listen to the lectures and you will find all these things there, so you can copy it from there. Even if you don't take screenshots, don't worry. All these lectures will be available in the portal. Okay, so don't worry. You can see them there and you can revise everything that you want. If you take screenshots, it's good. Immediately you can open it and see. Even if you don't take screenshot, these lectures are available. You can adjust the frequency to your levels and then you can work on. Increase the speed, decrease the speed, whatever you want, you can readjust your frequencies and then listen to them once again in case you want a repetition. Yeah. So now look at this question. M comma n greater than 0 means both are positive. But he did not tell that he is integers or something like that. If m is equal to n and p is less than q, then one of these should be true. So now p is less than q, but we don't know what is m and n, but we know that they are positive and they are also equal. So there are two equal things and one is less than the other. So this is what is the data that is given. This is what is the data that is given. So here you look at this minus p minus q and m and n are minus but p and q are positive. M and n are positive but p and q are negative. So this is of course product. This cannot be true because m and n are equal. It is cancelled. So p is greater than q. It's wrong. So therefore D is already eliminated. Children, remember, you can answer problems or questions easily if you can eliminate two wrong options and keep two right answers alive. That means you have already done 50% of the question, remaining 50% only need to solve. It's very easy to answer that way. So this is called as answering questions by elimination method. This is very, very important. Elimination method works more in examination. Many times we can come from answer to question. So let us say we have taken minus p and minus q. Whenever we change the sign, even the direction should be changed. So I brought minus p and minus q. So less than symbol becomes greater than symbol. Please remember this. So therefore minus p is greater than minus q. So if I add m on left side, I should add m on right side. But m and n are equal. So if I add on the left m, I can add right side n because both are equal. It doesn't matter. So m minus p is greater than n minus q. So which option you have? Option C. Right, children? Please note it. We'll go to the next question. Okay, let's go to the next question. See here. Reading question is very important. A is less than B. Which of the following must be true? So he gave so many options there. See, a square, a is less than b means you square it on both sides. A square is less than b square. A square is less than b square. But can this always be true? That is very, very important. So look at the example. So A is less than B. He did not tell whether A and B are positive, A and B are negative, nothing is told. So A can be negative and B can be positive. If that is the case, you look at this, if A is minus 5 and B is 2, A square means minus 5 square is 25 and B square is 4. So A square is greater than B square. So this cannot be true always. Therefore that is wrong. So generally students what they do is simply they square it and they believe that it is right. So this is a small question but little tricky and can cause damage to you. If both A and B are positive, that's a separate scenario. Then this is always true. But if both A and B are not positive and any negative things are possible like this, then answers could be different. So let us not take directly without reading the question properly. That's what I said. Read the conditions that are given in the question properly, because he never gives any condition without use of that in the problem solving. So A is less than B means A square can be greater than B square. In this example, it can be. Otherwise, it's both are positive, 2 and 5. Then this is true, like that. So next, this is always true because we are not squaring. 2A means 2 into anything is less than always 2B. So 2 is always right. So now minus B and minus A. So I said whenever we change this sign, so minus A, this direction should change greater than minus B. Minus A is greater than minus B, you have same. So option 3 is also true. Therefore, you have option 2 right and option 3 right. Which option works out? So 2 and 3 only. So option C is working good. So please note it fast, quick. Yeah. So let us go to next question. So read carefully, think, because sometimes like this minute things can change your answer. So you're losing marks. So getting 800 out of 800 in SAT is very, very important. So look at this. X is less than y is less than minus 1 means both are less than minus 1 means both are negative. This is very, very important point that you should grasp. Which of the following must be true? He gave all these things, x by y, y by x and so on. So when x and y both are less than minus 1, x plus y is also negative. X plus y is also negative. So since the quotient of negative numbers is positive, so y by x you take. Negative by negative, quotient of means when you divide something by something, then whatever you get is quotient. Of course, there could be remainder, that's a separate scenario. So this, if you divide, negative by negative is positive. So whether you take y by x here or here, both are positive. So negative into negative is also positive. So look at this. So y by x is positive, x plus y is negative. So definitely a positive number should be greater than negative number. So y by x is greater than x plus y. This is true. Now if you look at this, x by y, negative by negative is positive, and xy, that is also positive. So unless we know whether x and y are decimals or non-decimals, we cannot tell which one will be greater than which one. So it's very difficult to give answers like that. Therefore, we don't take risk of answering these two. We don't take risk of answering these two. So here also we are not sure whether this will be true or not, because y by x, it's a fraction. So we don't know what is the value of x and what is the value of y, and therefore we cannot tell whether plus will be greater than this or not. But we know surely both this is positive and this is negative. So negative cannot be greater than positive. Therefore, we can eliminate this option directly. Right, children? So option left over is B. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Look at this. The root of the equation 3 by 4x plus 5 equal to 8 is, of course, this is very simple question. We have already done one question of the same model, so you can do this. Take 5 to the right, so it becomes minus 5. 3x by 4 equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 gets cancelled, x is equal to 4. So this is option B. So I don't like you to copy this also, because same model, our second question was of the same model. So you can work it out on your own. This is very simple simplification, no complication, nothing. It's a direct question. So let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is also simple only. You see, we are adding 3 terms with x less than or equal to 42. Simply add, take x common here. So you'll be getting 9.1 plus 3 plus 1.9. 9.1 plus 1.9 is 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14x is less than or equal to 42. X is less than or equal to 42 by 14, that is 3. X is less than or equal to 3. Right, children? So please note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. H is greater than or equal to k, that is greater than or equal to 0, means clearly if you observe both h and k are positive, because k is greater than or equal to 0 and h is greater than or equal to k, so both are positive. It's clear? Now h plus k into h plus k is less than or equal to 36 he gave. What is the possible value of k? So this is very beautiful question. So now h is greater than or equal to k. So that means equal to sign is there. So k is always less than h, but it can also be equal to h, means what is the greatest value of k? Greatest value of k is only h, right? So therefore I can replace k by h, so you will be getting the highest possible value that is there for this. So look at this, what we have done is replaced k by h. So you are getting h plus h into h plus h is less than or equal to 36. So 4h square, 2h into 2h is 4h square is less than or equal to 36. H square is less than or equal to 9. So h will be greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 3. Therefore, here if you look at h is positive, or the least value of h can be 0. So I should eliminate the negative values. H cannot be negative. So the least value of h can be 0. That's what we are mentioning here. H is greater than or equal to 0 and is less than or equal to 3. So what is the largest possible value of k? That is equal to h. What is the largest value of h? 3. Therefore k's largest value should also be 3 only. So therefore option A satisfies. Right, children? Please note it fast, quick. Noting means only snapshot or screenshot. Yeah, let's go to the next question. I said we will not take more time for copying because we have to save our time to solve the problems. So look at this. If a certain greenhouse for plants, the foreign heat temperature is F, is controlled so that it does not vary from 79 degrees by more than 7 degrees. Which of the following best expresses the possible range in the Fahrenheit temperatures in the greenhouse? See, if I take f minus something or something minus f, but when absolute value is there, it's all same. Therefore, it doesn't matter whether you take f minus 7 or 7 minus f, whatever it is, because he said the variation cannot be more than 7 degrees. Variation cannot be more than 7 degrees. So whether I take f minus 7 or 7 minus f absolute, it is all same. Same way f minus 79 or 79 minus f, it's all same. So f minus 79, if you take, f may be greater than 79 or less than 79, it doesn't matter. When you are taking absolute value, it will always be positive. But what can be the variation between the difference of those f and 79 degrees? Maximum 7. Maximum 7 means the variation should be lesser than or equal to 7. Lesser than or equal to 7. So, f minus 79 is less than or equal to 7. We are taking option 1 is there with that. Okay. So, let us take it fast, quick. Screenshot again, not writing anything. Yeah, let us go to the next question. Look at this. Minus 5 by 2 is less than minus 2m plus 1, and that is less than minus 7 by 5. Minus 5 by 2 is minus 2.5. Minus 7 by 5 means minus 1 point something. So, this is always greater than this, right? So, negative values are there. So, what is the greatest possible integral value of the expression 10m minus 5? So, look at this. Minus 2m is there. If you multiply by 5, that becomes 10, right? Forget about signs for some time. I am leaving sign in the initial stage, but I am just showing you the value how to get this 10m minus 5. So, if you multiply by 5, this becomes minus 10m plus 5, right? So, this value is seen, but here you are getting minus 10m. So, you want plus 10m. So, I should multiply by minus 5. When I multiply by minus 5, what happens? These directions also will change. Directions also will change. So, you multiply by minus 5 everywhere. So, this becomes 10m minus 5, and this becomes minus 25 by, plus 25 by 2, and this becomes 7. So, direction should also change. So, this 7 will come to this side and 25 by 2 will go that side. That means 10m minus 5 is greater than 7 and less than 25 by 2, that is 12.5. So, what is that he asked? Greatest possible integral value of expression. So, greatest possible integral value is said, not the fractional part. So, fractional part to remove, you are getting 12.5. So, option should be D, because you are getting 25 by 2 is 12.5. So, the integral value should be 12, right children? So, this is least and this is greatest. Okay. So, take this into 2 pages like this. So, I think everyone has followed. Whenever we change the sign, direction also changes. When we multiply by minus 5, the one which is on the right side will come this side and this will go to the other side. Therefore, 25 by 2 is on the right and 7 is on the left, and this becomes 10m minus 5. So, this is what is the thing you need to understand. So, here you are getting this is 12.5. So, integral part of 12.5 is 12. Integral part of 12.5 is 12, means maximum integer up to 12.5 is 12. Therefore, we will take the greatest integer up to that decimal is 12. Therefore, option becomes D, right. So, please take screenshot of it. I will take you to the next page quick. Right, I think you have taken the screenshot. Take this now. Quick. Yeah. See, whenever you are solving problems, please remember you should not get panicked. Then only your brain functions properly. It will be active and it will give you ideas. So, please don't get panicked by seeing questions. Sometimes questions will be very big, but answer will be just 1 or 2 lines. Sometimes question may be very small, but answer can be big. Solution can be in more number of steps. Therefore, don't panic by seeing the question. Read the question, understand the question, and try to answer it in a proper way using all the knowledge you have gained. That means application skill. So, you can do mathematics better when you have better application skill and better practice. This is very, very important. So, please try to practice as much as you can. And of course, you'll practice more only if you are ambitious enough and you have set goals to reach something in your life. So that achieving, the thought process of achieving something is very important for every student to gain and perform better. So children, I'm telling you all, suggesting you all to have that ambition first, goal set in a stronger way, then you'll be able to achieve something, right? So let's go to the next question. So this water is given is equal to this. So in the equation above, what is the value of h? So simple simplification, there is nothing you need to do. So if you expand this 3h plus 6, or otherwise initially you can also take multiplying by 6 on both sides. So 3 into h plus 2 minus 4 by 6 equal to h into 7 into 2 minus 5 by 2. So if you can expand this 3h plus 6 minus 4 by 6 equal to 14 minus 5 into h. So simplify that. 3h plus 2 by 6 equal to 9h by 2. So cross multiply, you will be getting 2 into 3h plus 2 is 6 into 9h. So 6h plus 4 equal to 54h. Take it to the right, 48h equal 4, h equal to 4 by 48, that is 1 by 12, right? This is only simplification, nothing else. You just need to simplify this and get value of h. Separate all numericals or constants to one side and h to the other side, or the variable to other side, so that you get value of that variable. Okay, so let's go back to this. So start from here. These statements, whatever I give here, only if it is word problem, then they'll be having some prominence. Otherwise, only whatever I do here is explained here. So therefore, I don't suggest you to work on this when it is simple problem like this. So please take screenshot. We'll go to the next page quickly. Yeah. Take it fast. Complete it fast. Yeah, children, like I know, according to the human brain's strengths or capabilities, someone can focus on something, single thing, for maximum of 2 hours of time. Therefore, we have kept this class as 1.5 hour session so that you will not lose your focus or concentration. So, but if you prepare stating that, oh, only 1.5 hour, it doesn't matter. If you say this to your brain, then your brain is active for 1.5 hour. If you say, oh, is it 1.5 hour? Oh my God, then your brain is panicked and it won't give you enough strength to focus for 1.5 hour. So it's all mind game. I said it's always mind game, children. When you prepare your mind for something big, I'm sure you are going to do big things. And if your mind is preparing for smaller things, you cannot do bigger things anywhere in your life. So please set your mind for something. If you say, oh, only 1.5 hour, it doesn't matter, then your brain is active for more than 1.5 hour. So therefore, your focus will remain. So keep your focus always, okay? Let's go to the next one. So look at this. This is very, very simple question. I think you should be able to solve it. I'll not solve that. You should be able to solve it. Take LCM, simplify and get it. So please note the question. I'll take off this question. I'll not give you solution for this. You should get the solution, okay? So please take screenshot of this. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this is word problem. So whenever word problem comes, you should be able to read the question fully so that you don't miss any sensitive points that are given in the question. Okay, a number is doubled, and half of the number is added to it. So if I call the number as x, doubled means 2x, and half of it is added means plus x by 2. That is the thing. If 10 is subtracted from the result, means 2x, doubled means 2x, plus half of it is added, from the result 10 is subtracted, then we get a number which is 1 less than the original number. So what is original number? X. 1 less than original number means x minus 1. That is what is the thing you need to understand. Find the original number. This is very, very simple. See, writing this equation is important. After that, everything is fine. So now how do you simplify? This is very important. So first I'll eliminate this. 2x minus x is x plus x by 2 is 3 by 2x, and then 10 goes to the right, minus 10 becomes 10 minus 1. So 3x by 2 is 9. So x is equal to 6. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let's go to the next question. See, x is greater than y is greater than 0. Children, these are the things you need to observe. All x and y are both positive. P is greater than Q is greater than 0. One problem we did, but that was only between the given things. P and Q are also positive. Then which one of the following expressions must be greater than 1? Must be greater than 1. So now x is greater than y is greater than 0 and p is greater than q is greater than 0 he gave. So if you add x plus p is greater than y plus q is greater than 0 plus 0 is 0. That's what you'll be getting. X plus p is greater than y plus q is greater than 0. So y plus q is also positive. If you divide this inequality by y plus q, you will get it like this. So x plus p by y plus q is greater than, this is 1. So therefore x plus p by y plus q is greater than 1. So which of the one is greater than 1? He said x plus p by y plus q is greater than 1, which is option A. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let's move to the next question. Look at that next question. What is there? A road divider of certain length is painted 1/6 yellow. 1/6 yellow. So how much is left over? 5/6 is left over. 3/5 black. See, 1/6 yellow. So we are left over with what? 5/6. From this, what is 3/5 black? So what is left over? 25 minus 18, 7 by 30 is left over. The remaining 28 meters is painted white. So 7 by x into 30 is 28. That is 28 meters, he said. Find the length of the divider. So actual length is x, let us take. X by 6 is yellow. So this is black. Okay. So this is leftover part, which is 28, he said. So look at this. Length of the road be x meters. Okay, be x meters. So x by 6 plus 3x by 5, 3x by 5 plus leftover thing is 28 is total length, that is x. So if you take, if you simplify this and take LCM, you are getting this 5x plus 18x plus 28 into 30 is this. So cross multiply 5x plus 18x is 23x plus 840 is 30x. So now simplify this, 7x equal to 840. So x equal to 840 by 7. So therefore it is 120. So therefore please copy it. I'll write this leftover part here. So this is same thing we have written here. So this is 23x plus 840 equal to 30x. It is already there. So 30x from what is not there, I'll write from there. 30x minus 23x is 840. So 30 minus 23 is 7x. So x equal to 840 by 7, that is 120. So that is the thing. So you have option P. So please check, note it fast, quick. So my dear students, you are supposed to take only the screenshots. Don't try to write anything because we need to do a lot more. So this is not required because it's already there. So just note this part, continuation. Okay. Yeah. Let's move to the next one. This is already there. Yeah. In a 2-digit number, the units digit is 3 more than the tens digit. The sum of the digits is 18 less than the original number. The sum of digits is 18 less than the original number. The product of the digits is what? So let us take the digit in tens place is x. Okay. So now to x, if you add 3, because he said 3 more than tens, so you will be getting units place digit. So units place digit is this. So as this is units place, so I should, unit means 1. So x plus 3 into 1, and this is tens place, I will take 10x. So 10x, tens place means multiply by 10, you will get the actual place value of that number. Similarly, units place means multiply by 1, you will get the place value. So sum of those two digits is equal to what he said, 18 less than the original number. Original number is what? X plus 3. So therefore, simplify this. 2x plus 3 equal to 10 plus 1, 11x plus 3 minus 18. So take this 18 and 3 to the other side. So 11 minus 2 is 9x equal to 18. 3 gets cancelled. So x equal to 2. So instead of taking you to the next page, let us write here. So 9x is equal to 18. 9x equal to 18. So x equal to 2. So when x is 2, what is the product of the digits? So what is the other number? Units place it is tens place it is x, and units place it is x plus 3. So that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Right, children? So this is what you get it. So now you have to find out the number as it is. So 10 into 2 means tens place it is 2. So 10 into 2 plus 2 plus 3, because it's units place into 1. So 20 plus 5, it is 25. So now the digits are what? 2 and 5. So the product of digits he asked. So 2 into 5, that is 10. And the number is 25 and the product is 10. So option C. Right? So please note it fast, quick. Okay. So note this quickly. Right? Okay, let's go to the next question. The present age of A is 4 years less than twice the present age of B. See, these are all little bit thoughtful questions, word problems, but not big or not complicated, but simply you should follow the statements that he gives very strictly and don't commit mistakes. If you commit mistakes, then To find out the mistakes, you will waste a lot of time. So first time when you are writing the things, write it correctly so that you don't waste time on rectifying the mistake you have done. So please read the question carefully. So B's present age is 6 years more than twice his age 15 years ago. So that we should be able to write in equation form. The difference of their ages, present ages, is what? So if I take the present age of B is x years. So what is present age of A? 4 years less than twice present age of B. Twice means 2x. 4 years less means minus 4. So this is A's present age. 2x minus 4 is the A's present age. So we know what is the present age of A and we know what is the present age of B. So this is A's present age. Now what is it? He says B's present age is 6 years more than twice his age 15 years ago. 15 years ago means minus 15. So B's present age is x. X, that is equal to 6 years more means 6 plus or something plus 6, like that, okay. Twice his age 15 years ago. If his age present age is x years, 15 years back it is x minus 15 into 2. Twice he said, no. So therefore you see, twice x minus 15. 15 years ago his age will be x minus 15. Twice 15 years ago his age plus 6 is his present age. So from here what is x? X equal to 24. Now difference of their present ages, he says, means A's present age minus B's present age. So what is A's present age? 2 into 24 minus 4, that is 48, minus 4, that is 44 years is the present age of A, and present age of B is 24. So the difference of their ages is 44 minus 24, that is 20 years. So which option? Option C satisfies. Please note it fast. Yeah, let's go to the next question. System of equations in two variables, because we have both one variable and two variables. Whenever we talk about two variables, we are getting out with x and y. One variable means we said x, but it's not compulsory that we should cover only x. We can cover even with t or p or something like that. So two variables means generally we take x and y. If anything else comes, we need to work on. There is nothing like strict rule that it should be only x and y. They should not give any other things like p, q, something like that. It's wrong. Okay. So let us see. You look at this. X equal to y minus 2 is y plus 5 by 2. Then x is equal to what? So using these things you should eliminate y, that's all. Using these two you should eliminate y. Try to pick the simplest forms. So these two it is simple, but if you take this, it is little complicated but not very much complicated, so you can work on. Or you can take these two first, get y and then substitute here, okay. So now look at this, what we are doing here. If x equal to y minus 2 equal this he gave, so multiply by 2 throughout and equate these two. As I said, equate these two, get y and then substitute there. So if you simplify this, 2y minus 4 equal to y plus 5. So from here what is y? Bring this to the left, that to the right, y equal to 9. So now equate these two, x equal to y minus 2, 9 minus 2, that is 7, right? So option is D. Note it fast, quick. Right? I said take screenshots so that you save time, or otherwise you will find all this again in the portal. So you can go to the portal and you can listen to the lectures once again. Let us go to the next question. See, this is solving simultaneous equations. See, we will work on in different ways. So look at this, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the things given. So we can solve this in many ways. See, it is like this. x by, take coefficients of y, b1, b2. Next means to the right of x only I should stay. So that is c1, c2 equal to y by, to the right of y. So c1, c2, or with whatever you have ended, you will start with that. Then go back, a1, a2 equal to 1 by, after this to the right means again you will reach this, a1, a2. Next after this you have b1, b2 like this. So x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So equate these two, you will get x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, equate these two, you will get y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Means if you observe this, what is happening, if I want x, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. See, so simple. You want y, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. It is such a simple process. Or the alternative method is eliminate x and y. So multiply this by 4. So 4 into half x is 2x plus 4y equal to 1 into 4 is 4 minus 2x minus y equal to 5. So add these two. 2x gets cancelled, 3y equal to 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. So you know y. So when you know y, you will get value of x. So substitute in any one of these things, minus 2x minus 3 equal to 5. So take it to the right. So 2x equal to minus 8. So x equal to minus 4, like that. So x plus y is 3 plus of minus 4. Sometimes you will get directly also, you can add them and you can get the values of x and y. Even that is possible. So how is it done? See, let's say you multiply this by 2. Let's say multiply this by 2. So what happens? 2 into half x is x plus 2y equal to 2 and other is minus 2x minus y equal to 5. So from here add them, you will get the values. Okay, like this you can find out directly also. So therefore we have to solve them and get this x and y values. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Eliminate y by adding them simply. Eliminate y by adding them simply. So you will be getting half x minus 2x is minus 3x by 2 equal to 6. So x equal to 3 cancels 2 times, so minus 4. Okay. So x is minus 4. Similarly, you substitute here or here, you will get y. So if you take y, you will be getting it as 3. So x plus y is minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. Okay. So which way you follow is your choice. Which way you follow is your choice. Our job is to get x plus y. Sometimes directly you get it, so what way you get it, that you should understand. But if you don't get ideas, don't waste your time in trying to get the values directly. You just leave it, go for normal method. Solving. See, here it is elimination of variables, then finding out one variable will eliminate, we'll get the second variable value. So therefore, what is the simplest way you should understand? So here if you see, one is plus y. See, I have discussed 3 methods in this till now. So in that, the best way is without changing anything, directly add, you'll get x value, because plus y and minus y gets cancelled. So don't complicate the problem anywhere. The solution should not be complicated. So as far as possible, try to keep as simple as possible. So if you look at this plus y minus y, so if you add them, y gets eliminated, you will get x value, simple logic. Afterwards, substitute y in equation 1 or equation 2, you will get x value. So finish it off. So directly we added, we got x equal to minus 4, and substitute x is minus 4 in one of the equations. So minus 2x minus of minus 4 equal to 5. So take it to the right, 2x equal to 5 minus 5 plus 4. So x equal to minus half, right? So sorry, x is minus 4 we got, no? So x is minus 4, we'll substitute here, minus 2 into minus 4 plus 5, you bring it to the left, it becomes minus 5 equal to y. So y equal to 8 minus 5, 3. So x equal to minus 4. So x plus y is minus 1. Same thing is written in the next page, so please note it fast, quick. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah, so look at this. If 2p plus q equal 11, see here x and y is not there, it's p and q, it doesn't matter. And p plus 2q equal 13, he is asking you to find out p plus q. See children, as soon as you look at the question, you see, you get the idea. If you directly add, you see what happens, 2p plus p is 3p. Q plus 2q is 3q. So finished. 3 if you take common, you'll get p plus q. Therefore, why should I find the value of p and q separately to get the value of p plus q? So directly add the two given equations. You'll be getting 3p plus 3q equal 24. Take 3 common, p plus q equal to 24 by 3 is 8. See, like this I said, that's what. If you can identify, as soon as you look at the question, if you can identify whatever he has asked, you can get it directly. Don't try to solve them and don't waste your time, but simply do whatever you have to do directly and get the values. So, we get the values of p plus q directly by simply adding, because 3p and 3q finished. Your problem is solved. So, you get it like this. Right children, please note it fast, quick. See, here we are not solving any equation, directly we are getting. So, this is what I was talking about before. Please note it quickly. See, if you ask me what is the technique to do these things, there is not big technique children, it's only observation and thinking, that's all. Creating ideas for yourself, nothing else. So, let's go to this. There are 25 high school seniors who are taking the total of 112 AP classes this year. Total number of AP classes are 112. This is taken by 25 students. Some of them take 4 APs and the others take 5 APs. So, how many take 4 APs is important. So, remaining will be 25 minus that. So, they take 5 APs. How many seniors are taking 5 APs? So, whichever he asks, that I will take it as x. So, 5 APs 1. So, 5 APs 1 will take it as x. So, let us say x students are taking 5 APs. So, x into 5 APs, okay, plus how many are taking 4 APs? Remaining. So, from 25 students you take out x, you will get remaining students, into they are taking 4 APs, isn't it? Right, that is equal to 112. So, 5x minus 4x is x, equal to 112 minus 25 4's 100, that is 12, finished. So, 12 students are taking 5 APs. So, option B satisfies, right? Very simple, you see. See this, here we brought two variables. I am not bringing two variables here. I am writing it as 25 minus x. Instead of this, this becomes simple, because writing this, ultimately it's same, whatever we are using is same. But here we have brought first two variables. From two variables we are eliminating one of the variable and substituting and getting. So, here we are directly proceeding. So, this method will be more simple than this method, okay. So, let x students take 5 APs, okay. So, therefore, 5 means into 5, total number of APs is, AP classes will be 5 into x, plus remaining students into 4 APs, AP classes. So, remaining students is 25 minus x into 4 is total number of AP classes are 112. So, this is what you can get, it is all same, this method or this method, it is same. So, please take screenshot quickly. Right, children? So let us go to the next question. There is $180 of cash in John's pocket. John has only $20 and $10 bills. If John has a total of 13 bills, how many $20 bills are there in his pocket? So let us say $20 bills are X. X are $20. Okay, and what are the $10 are total bills are how many? 13. If I say y is that, so y equal to 13 minus x. So 13 minus x are $10 bills, right? So now what is the total worth? $180. So x into 20 plus 13 minus x into 10 is 180. That's what we need to do. Look at this, x plus y is 13, y is 13 minus x. So 20 into x plus 10 into this 13 minus x, y means 13 minus x, equal to 180. So 20x minus 10x is 10x, 10 into 13 is 130, take it to the right, you will be getting 10x equal to 50, x is 5. So number of $20 bills is 5. So option B. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah, there is one small thing I would like to tell you all. If somebody is really weak in mathematics, don't get panicked. Mathematics is very simple subject as long as you are liking it and practicing it. This is very important. I'll tell you example of one student. There was a student by name Srikala with me. That girl failed her 10th grade mathematics 4 times. And 5th time she passed with just 36% of marks. And she took math in her 11th grade. Everyone suggested not to take, but that girl wanted to do math only. And in 11th grade exams, she worked. She never got panicked with her troubles in 10th grade. And she kept on working, and she used to ask me doubts all the time. Whenever she gets a problem or trouble, she used to come and ask me what to do, how to do, without keeping the fears in her mind. So she kept on working, and in 11th grade maths, she has scored 144 out of 150 marks, and in her 12th grade, she scored 150 out of 150. That means if you work, you are bound to cross all the troubles and win over the troubles. So children, it is your choice whether you want to win or lose. If you want to win, you work, we are there with you. We'll take you to greater heights. So therefore, just believe yourself and believe that we are there with you and keep working, and I'm sure you'll conquer the mountains. So children, let's move further with the same thought process. So let us see what is there in store next. Now look at this. If this equal to 1, then x minus y. See, I said we can always try to see if we can get x minus y directly. If you don't get x minus y directly, then we'll have to proceed. But don't waste time in thinking about how to get x minus y directly. So if you simplify this first equation, take LCM, you'll get 3x plus 4y is 12. Second equation also you simplify. So now we have to get x minus y. So multiplying the second equation by 2, because minus 2y into 2 is 4, minus 4y, plus 4y minus 4y gets cancelled. So 3x plus 4y is 2, 2x minus 4y is 8, 4y gets cancelled, 5x is 10, so x is 2. If x is 2, you substitute here or here, you will be getting y value. So, you get y equal to minus 1. I need to find out x minus y. X minus y is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So, this is the option. Please note it fast, quick. Right, let us go to the next question. 2p plus q is 11, p plus 2q equal 13, then p plus q by 8. So, children, you should be able to work out this. We have already worked this type of questions. Simple addition 24 by 8 is 3. Answer is 3. So, I am giving this as homework. So, I will not do this. So, this is 3p plus 3q. So, you will be getting 24 by 8 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Finished. Answer is 1. So, please take the screenshot of it and try to do the solution. So, p plus q by 8 will be equal to 1. I am telling answer orally. So, try to practice 4-5 steps in mind. Then your speed of calculations will increase and you will be able to do better. So, let us go to the next question. This is your homework problem. Yeah, so look at this. 4r plus 7s equal to 23 and r minus 2s is 17. He is asking you to find out 3r plus 3s. So, this is also your homework. I will not to tell this, but I will just give a hint. You see, 4 plus 1, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Finished. He is asking you to find out 3r plus 3s means 3 into r plus s. So, direct question, add them and then get r plus s and multiply by 3. Finished. Homework. Let us go for this. 2x plus y equal to 3, 3y equal to 9 minus 6x. So, we need to find what? How many solutions does the above system of equations have? See, children, this is very, very important. See, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 is first equation. See, this is a linear equation, means this represents a straight line on the graph. Straight line on the graph. So, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. So, there can be 3 different cases. So, 2 lines will intersect like this. This is 1, this is 2. Second case is case 1. So, here there won't be any relation. Till now whatever we have done is like this. Second case can be like this. This is 1 and this is 2. So, that means these two are parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. In this case, only a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. See, are they intersecting anywhere? No. That means there will be 0 solutions. There will be 0 solutions. Here there will be one solution, because at only one point they are intersecting or not, it will have one solution. If they are like this, case 3, this is case 2. Case 3, one line over the other. This is one line and this is only second line, means both are one over the other like this. Both are one over the other like this. Okay. So, in this case, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, case 3. So, that means they are overlapping, means at every point they intersect. That means there are infinite number of solutions. So, therefore, these are the cases, infinite solutions, 0 solutions, 1 solution. Right? So, you should see what is there in this case. 2x plus y equal to minus 3 equal to 0. If you take it to the left, 6x divide by 3. So, that becomes 2x plus 3y by 3 is y, and plus 9 goes to the right, becomes minus 9, but 9 by 3 is 3. You see, a1 by a2 1, b1 by b2 1, C1 by C2 1. Therefore, you are getting A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2. So, infinite solutions, infinite solutions. So, an infinite number, you see. So, therefore, option should be D. Please note this concept, this is very, very important. So, answer is infinite number of solutions. See, this is the case you are getting. So, please note the diagram also. This is case 2, this is case 1 and this is case 3. Right. So, case 1, case 2, case 3, please note it quickly. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, let's move to this. Ax minus y equal to 0, x minus by is 1. In the system of equations above, a and b are constants and x and y are variables. If the system of equations above has no solution, what is the value of AB? No solution means we have seen in the previous case, it is case 2 where there is no solution. So, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition. So, A1 by A2 means A by 1 equal to B1 by B2 is minus 1 by minus B. Cross multiply AB equal to 1. Finished. So, answer is 1, option A. Right, children? So, this is what we have done before. So, I am giving you the same logic. So, no solutions means they are parallel. Parallel means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Infinite solutions means equal to C1 by C2. That is what you need to take. So, please note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. 4 by this equal to 8 by this he gave. X is not equal to minus 1, y is not equal to 2. What is y in terms of x? So, you should find y in terms of x. It is very simple. Simplify and get it fast, quick. So, that means what? 4y minus. So, I can cancel 2 times. So, you will get it as 4 is cancelled. So, you have only 1 into y minus 2 is y minus 2 is 2x plus 2. So, he is asking to find out y in terms of x. So, 2x plus 4 equal to y. So, y equal to 2x plus 4. So, this you have or not. So, simple logic, quick. So, here first only eliminated 4, but here what it is, first simplified then eliminated the constant what it is there, quick. See why these conditions are given. If x equal to minus 1, this is not defined. So, x cannot be equal to minus 1. If y is not equal to 2, he said, because if y equal to this becomes 0. So, if 0 is in the denominator, it is not defined, infinity. Therefore, these values of x and y cannot be accepted, but this has nothing to do with other part of it. Okay. Only thing is whether function is defined or not is important. Okay. Quick. Okay, let's go to the next question. You have this. If the ordered pair x, y satisfies the system of equations above, what is the sum of the values of x and y? So, you should get x plus y. This is simple, children. We have done so many questions till now. You need to simplify this and get it. So, it is your homework problem. Please take screenshot. We will go to the next question. Let's not spend time on this question now. You need to work out. Quick. Take screenshot. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Yeah. So, now you see the value of b for which the system of equations below will have infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions. So, simply we have done a1 by a2, b1 by b2 Infinite solutions means it is equal to C1 by C2. A1, what is A1 minus 2 by A2, 5, equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So now you see this is minus 2 by 5, this is also minus 2 by 5. So he is asking you to find out what? Value of B, equate these two. So B equal to 5 by 2, finish, reciprocate them. So this is the logic, so no need to do anything, simply we can use this logic, B equal to 5 by 2. This much of solution is not needed, we will simply go for this, okay. Please note it fast, quick. Excuse me. So let's go to the next question. When Anna exercises in her fitness center for 1 hour, she burns a total calories of 475. If she burns 9 calories a minute jogging on the treadmill and then burns 6.5 calories a minute pedaling on the stationary bicycle, how many minutes of the hours does she spend exercising on the bicycle? So that means in 1 hour she is doing two things. One is jogging on the treadmill and other is bicycling on the stationary bicycle. So therefore we need to share the time, but total calories is 475. Total calories is 475. So it is asked here how much time she is spending on bicycle. So that bicycle one will take it as X minutes or X hours, whatever it is. So how much time she is spending on, how much energy she is burning, and then burn 6.5 calories a minute pedaling the stationary bicycle. So if I take X minutes of she bicycling, so X into 6.5 is the total energy burnt on the pedaling, 6.5x plus. Now how many minutes are left over? 1 hour means 60 minus x into how much energy she is spending, 9 calories. So sum of the total energy burnt is 475. Right, children? So look at this, 6.5x minus 9x is 540 minus 9 minus 6.5 is 2.5 equal 475. So 2.5x equal to 540 minus 475. So this is 25 here and 40. 25 plus 40 is 65. So x equal to 65 into 10 by 25. So this is 13 into 2, 26 minutes. So option A. So same thing we are doing it this process. So you can look at this. So x minutes on bicycling. So 6.5 calories into x minutes, total energy burnt on bicycling. 60 minus x is the amount of time, means 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minus x is time spent on treadmill, so 9 calories per minute. So total energy burnt on treadmill is 60 minus x into 9. The total energy is sum of those two energies, which is 475. Simplify. X you get it as 26. So answer is 26 minutes. So that's why we got it like this. Same thing I have written there. So you can go for this page, copying this page, right? Take screenshot quickly. I'll go to the next page. So take this screenshot also. Quick. So I'll remove this ink part. So let's go to the next question. See, James and Williams go to the movie theater and purchase refreshments for their friends. James spends a total of $18.25 on 2 bags of popcorns and 3 drinks. 3 drinks. William spends a total of $27.50 for 4 bags of popcorns and 2 drinks. What is the cost of purchasing 1 bag of popcorns and 1 drink? So we need to take 1x and 1y, okay? We need to get that 1x plus 1y, x plus y. So if I take the cost of popcorns per bag is x and the cost of drink per drink is y, how many James spends a total of 18.25 on 2 bags of popcorns, so 2x plus how many cool drinks he's taking, and 3 drinks equal to 18.25. Next, what about Williams? Williams spends purchases 4 bags of popcorns and 2 drinks. That is equal to 27.50. So now we need to find out 1x plus 1y. X plus y we should get. So find out x and y. Find out x and y, same thing we are writing here. 4x plus 2y is this. So if you eliminate either x or y, so let us take x eliminated, multiply this by 2 and then subtract from here. You will be getting 4y equal to this minus this. Okay. So 4y equal to 9. So y equal to 9 by 4. So once substitute that y equal 9 by 4 in one of the equations, you will be getting x equal to 11.50 by 2. So you should find out x and x plus y. So x plus y we have taken, that is $8. Right, children? So option is B. Please go back to the previous page and copy it fast, quick. Take screenshot. So go to the next page and take screenshot of it quickly. Yeah, let's go to the next question, children. If x is 3-digit number, the number formed by reversing the digits of x is 891 less than x. So 3 digits means you should take 100 units place into 1 plus 10 into tens place plus 100 into hundreds place. Right? So this is the actual number, that is if you reverse the numbers, that is 891 less than x. So if you reverse the order, then it is x minus 891. So if I take the number as ABC, the reverse number is CBA. ABC's number, reverse number is CBA. So CBA is ABC minus 891. CBA equal to ABC minus 891. Then what is that he is asking? It's units digit he is asking. It's units digit. Means C we should find out. We should find out the value of C. So 891 if you see is ABC minus CBA. ABC is 100 into A plus 10B plus C according to this logic. Minus 100C plus 10B plus A. So simplify this, you will be getting it as 99 into A minus C is 891. So divide this 891 by 99, you will get 9. A minus C is 9. So A equal to C plus 9. So C is greater than or equal to 0 because always it cannot be negative. Okay. So A is greater than or equal to 9, but A will be less than or equal to 9. Why it is less than or equal to 9? Because after 9 it becomes 0. So therefore you cannot take greater than 9. So this is the only possibility. Greater than or equal to 9, less than or equal to 9 means only possibility is A is equal to 9. A equal to 9. Both are happening only when A equal to 9. A equal to 9 means what is C? You got it as from previous page, A minus 9. right? C equal to A minus 9 you will be getting. So therefore, it is 0. It cannot be negative. The only possibility is 0. So therefore, option is A, right? Right, children? So take it fast quickly. That means A is 9, so C is 0. That's what you need to get it. So quickly take the screenshot. We'll go to the next page. Okay, note this. So children, I think, hope that you have followed everything well. Any problem you have, you can go through our lectures, recorded lectures, and understand them. Still you have questions, you can ask us on Ask It Out or chat so that we can answer you and help you out. Thank you and have a great day. Wish you all the best of luck and hope that you'll practice to get a good score. Thank you.